What you doing?
I am defrosting. I'm defrosting the refrigerator with the hair dryer. It makes it quicker.
We've done this, what, twice in the last year?
We probably should have done it more, but
It was pretty thick.
it doesn't take too long with the hair dryer.
I would say this will be our last time. This is almost, well, next week's October, isn't it?
Yeah, this is the 28th.
And then in November, we'll be in Florida, and that thing is getting jerked out, and a residential's going in. Josh, my oldest son, is taking that home with him. That way, if he has a hurricane, he can hook a 30-pounder to it, propane, put a car battery on it, and he's got a refrigerator running. So, and we'll get a residential, which will be, they're deeper.
Oh, I need more room for sure.
They're deeper here, and the freezer and everything's deeper. That's game plan, right? Look at there, look at me. No lipstick.
Ah!
So she's decided to also do the freezer. You can see it's pretty thick. These aren't very big freezers, so you need all the space you can get. She got, oh, you know him. She has this one pretty much done. Huh?
Oh, it's got a long way to go yet. It's pretty packed in up there. It's worse than I thought it was.
I think last time we did it, last time we did it was in Florida, wasn't we?
I don't remember.
I think it was.
I ain't been paying close attention to it. That's my problem. I just been putting stuff in it.
Well, we get a residential. We don't have to do that no more, will we?
No, because it'll be a frost-free.
So did you get it all done?
All done.
You didn't film it?
No.
Can I show the fridge?
Sure, it's full.
It's full, good.
Wow.
Yeah.
Got a lot more room in the freezer since I emptied it.
Then we go shopping.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Doing laundry?
Just the towels.
Day in the life of us.
Yeah.
As you may know, here in a couple of weeks we are heading down to Tennessee, working our way to Florida. And I've been working on the coach, getting things done. Let me go this way. Had a heck of a time getting a, you see it right there, big old silver thing. Oh, that is air filter. I went to Napa. I went to a lot of places trying to find it. Nobody could help me because it's a Cummins in a Class A. So I went to Freightliner. The first one they gave me was $168. No, it was $130. And it was the wrong one. I thought, crap, now what? Well, two came up, and instead of the guy just questioning which one would probably fit, he just ordered the big one. And so I'd take it back and get another one. Took them almost 3 weeks to get our money put back on our card from the return. So I got it on. I finally got the shocks. I was trying not to go through Freightliner for a lot of this, just to try to save money. The guy I went through was a local guy here in town. He had the shocks at $60 and $70. 60 a piece for the front. I think it was 70 for the back a piece. And he told me he went through Freightliner. So I called Freightliner and I questioned them. And it was 32 a piece for the back and 27 a piece for the front. So I got them. We're going to get them on next week. I have the manifold gaskets. I have the valve cover gaskets. The only thing I need to do now is I have a power steering line that's leaking. I may do it myself because I'm gonna take it off, and our Napa in town can make hoses. You just take them the old one and they make a new one for you and get it put on. It's been leaking a while. With us going out west, I don't want to be on the side of the road with a blown power steering line. That would be stupid. So I have to turn you around here. Have to get up on the roof and clean the solar panels, and seal a couple spots that I seen the other day when I was up there. You know, just getting ready to go. It's just seems like it never ends. Everything to do. Of course, probably doesn't help I wait till the last minute to do anything either, but that just makes it more fun. As you can see, last year when I was in Florida, I bought this Predator 3500. It says it has an RV plug, a 30 amp RV plug. It doesn't. You have to buy this adapter that twists on so you can put your 30 amp on it. I've probably got 20 hours on this. The reason I bought it, I was up in the air about it, and I will say so far I'm really happy with it. I haven't done any reviews. There's 1,000 reviews on this thing, but it is super quiet. I can't believe how quiet it is. When Bonnie and Andy was out front, staying out front, we ran their coach with it. I have a 6500 that runs perfect. Fires up every time and runs a coach, has 513 hours on it. The reason I did, hold on here. The reason I bought that, and you've probably heard me say before, my coach's diesel, the generator's propane. I think when he did it, he was trying to save money and lighten the coach up a little bit. So he put a gas one in and converted it to propane. It's fine and dandy. At 75% load, that is 1.2 gallons an hour. This Predator at 75% load will run, I think it's 10 hours on 2 gallons. Something like that, give or take. And that's the reason we got it. When we're in Florida, we can do laundry and do everything off our solar, but on cloudy days, and it's going to be cloudy a few days, you don't want to suck your batteries down and then not have nothing because you're not going to get charged up because there's no sun. Well, I was having to fire my big generator up, which will top it off pretty quick. So now if Julie wants to do laundry or do anything that's going to use a lot of energy, I go out, it's electric start, I fire it up, and we got power. I'll carry 5 gallons of gas with me, keep it topped off, and I think we'll use it. I think we'll use it more than I probably think. But I don't want to get to where I depend on it either. You know, I don't want to run it more than I need to run it, I guess. I don't know. But that is what we've been doing. Hey guys, doing a little maintenance. We're getting ready to head south. My slide, I lube it, and it's important you lube it because coming in and out, if it gets dry, it can stop actually from going in and damage things. So don't use WD-40. WD-40 will collect dust. You don't want to collect dust. Use white lithium grease. I use liquid wrench. You can get it anywhere. You can get it at the Big Blue store, anywhere you want. But I always have a towel with me because when this stuff sprays, it's nasty. It sprays all over. If it gets on the side of the coach, you have a greasy mess. So I kind of put this behind, and then I hit the top of the rail where it slides on the top of the rail. I'll hit the gears on the inside under the in the basement, and it'll get it lubed up to go in and out again. This is the rail. You can see where it's dripped down before. All I'm hitting is this top. That's what it rides on. And where the teeth go in the bottom right here. So that's what I'm going to hit. But you can see this overspray. Well, if you get this down on these boxes, the doors, it is harder than heck to get off. So that's what we're going to attempt to do. And Julie's going to try to hold this thing. And what I do is I get the rag a little bit behind it, Try to get my foot out of the way. And I just hit it. And that's about. Now when you're doing this, all you gotta be careful of is it dripping down on you. Didn't get anything on anything. That's it. I'll go do the other one and I'll do the gears on the inside. Hey guys, change oil in the generator today, and it was 18 months, almost to the day, since I changed it last time. I only ran it 32 hours. Should change it every year. But I ran into something. Trying to start, I was having a heck of a time trying to, get back over here. Having a heck of a time trying to get this thing to start. And this may help somebody else. Sorry, I gotta get this up. But, this is a propane generator. And it has a regulator on it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it because it's back in here. See if I can use my light on my phone. Let me see if I can spin you around here. But there's a regulator right there. And whoop, right there. And for a regulator to work, it has to have a vent on it. Well, you see a rubber hose come out of the right of it? That thing was plugged up tight with dirt daubers. I ended up taking it off, cleaning it, putting it back on, and it was like halfway full. Still wouldn't start, so I pulled it off and then cleaned the actual valve where it goes into that regulator. I also changed or cleaned the evaporator right in here. I don't know if it made a difference, but it fired right up. But we got everything changed. Oh, and that's about the last thing to do. The guy's coming in the morning to do the manifold. I was going to take it to him. He decided to come here because they've got a lot going on at the shop, and this takes the whole shop up. So he's going to be here tomorrow, get the manifold done. I put shocks on it, got the air cleaner on it. Oil doesn't need change till I get down to Florida before we start going west. So about ready. I have been trying to lighten it up too. I carry these I'll take you out here. I carry these blocks, and they're heavy, and they are oak, and I carry them to help level. And I think I'm gonna leave them here. I did not get used to this gimbal. I think I'm gonna leave them here and not take them and try to lighten this thing up for going out west. There's a few other things we've kind of went through, and I think every little bit will help. So that's the game plan. Hope everybody has a good week. Like I said, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good week. Like us on Facebook and Instagram. Thumbs up. We'll see you guys later. Thanks.